guys, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. It's days later for you guys, but it's only 10 minutes since my last film video. In the end of that last video, I talked about how my pouring medium was too thin, and I have, how much do I have of it? I would have to make up another batch of house paint, and I have almost 2 cups of this left. So what I thought I would do, since it's very thin and I hate it, I'm going to add a color to this. I haven't decided what, and use this as my base, and then just use up the leftover colors from that last video and see what happens. That way, and I'm doing it on a old beat up 10 by 10 cradle wood panel I have, and let's see what happens when you use the pouring medium as the base instead of house paint. Let me get you down. Okay, so this was my pouring medium that's too thin and runny, and I grabbed the color and I took, this is my second dollop of adding Utrecht. This is yellow green light, so that's a lot of green, but we're going to use it, I think that should do the trick right there, as the base paint. So this is, I'm not even going to tell you what brand it is, because I'm never going to use it again, and I don't want you guys to buy it. So, or maybe I should tell you so you can avoid it, right? Let's do that. It is, what is it? It's this. So I had to go get it. So really do not like this at all for the pouring medium. So I'm going to skip the Valspar and probably go back to my Glidden. I mean, stick with the tried and true, right? All right, so there's our pretty green. I made up some cerulean blue deep, and I need to put a squirt of purple into my purple. Oops. Helps if you open the cap. And just give this a quick mix. So this will be interesting. Let's see what happens. Here's my purple. It's a little lighter. I'm going to leave it like that. And we're going to use this and make a puddle. Look how thin that is. This is going to fly off quite quick. Now we're going to put our purple. And our red violet. They're too similar right there, those two colors. Not enough contrast, right? And then let's do our cerulean blue. Yeah, everything is just too runny. And then the aqua green cell activator. Let's see what happens. That was kind of cool to watch, because you could see the cell activator just skimming over the colors, or at least I could. I really don't have high hopes for this. I'm just filming for prosperity in case it works out. And I can figure out a way to get rid of my, that paint. Just letting that collect a little in the middle. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is really stuck. Let's put this in the middle. Here goes nothing. I didn't want to go fast because it's so thin. Good grief. You get a pretty little painting. That's hilarious to me. Oh my goodness. I missed a couple corners. Hold on. And this one here. So I'll give it another little baby spin. Corner there. Well, it should dry nice because it's so thin. I don't know if I'm crazy about the colors. I'm gonna pick it up a second and tilt. Or maybe not. I guess it's done and it's not moving at all. That's one way to get rid of your pouring medium if you're not happy with it. Add a color to it and voila. Hell, maybe I should try my second clock. Next couple of videos. A pour and a clock, a pour and a clock. Let me put them off to the side and what the hell, grab a clock. All right, take two, guys. I'm not even gonna show you my giant fail that I just did. Let's try this clock again. Put on the green, which is nothing but a big color, right? So no house paint. I'm using, let's do purple. I'm using titanium white as my cell activator. I switched to white. Let's do the purple. I'm getting low on colors, so hopefully this one takes. No, don't do that again. Do the blue, separate them. So that's cerulean blue deep. And then your magenta. And just for giggles, since this is a color, let's put some green on top. Why not? And maybe a layer of purple. Yeah. Just because I want to kill off the purple. So do multi-layers. Because it's just about gone. So I'm going to kill it off. I'm not going to save a quarter-sized dollop. Not worth it. Alright. Now I want some more blue. I'm getting all crazy. All right, that's it. There's your dartboard. All right. I'll move something out of the way before I knock over. Mean to do that. It's like my hand slipped. I mean, I went all the way down to the canvas. Look, I made a flower within the flower. That was hilarious. I should have been like, I meant to do that. Here's how you make a double flower. Look at me, perfect cells around the sides. Oh my God, that was hilarious. I'm just gonna let that collect a second. So I'm just gonna stand here and laugh at my gooberness. I don't know. I'm having a day for sure. Like, I don't feel like I'm at my best or doing my best work, to be honest. but we'll see how this turns out once that all kind of collects, because it was kind of a cool little effect. There are a ring of perfect cells. There's those 5 big ones in the middle, but there's a perfect ring of cells. And then you got this bloom right in the middle. So let me, serendipity, man, let me spin this out gently. Oh, it was so funny. See, that flower is going to take over. That's kind of cool, though. Oh my gosh. Got like a whole flower with the stem and cells all around it. I'm going to take some of this stuff off right here, hopefully, and leave it, because that's just dumb luck. Really. I cannot take credit for that. Let me see, did that get it off to the edge? It did. Ta-da! Yeah, I'm done. I'm done for the day. That's it for me. No house paint though, none. Just the pouring medium and the Floetrol. Yeah. Hold on one sec. Okay, we got to look at the clock first, because total serendipity. That was hilarious. You couldn't make that. I don't know, maybe if you practice dipping your hairdryer nozzle into the paint, you could make the perfect little flower. Let me get you down. See the glare? Like, look at all those little baby cells around it, the middle of that. And then you kind of like got a stem down here with the cells all around. I'm almost sorry that this is a clock, right? So the center is like right there at the bottom of the white circle. So you'll still be able to see the flower. You can tell this is the stuff from the previous video. And then this guy over here, the cell work, let me see if I put this at an angle, is real. The colors aren't showing up. You can barely see the purple. I hate when that happens. This one is quite striking. I think it's a pretty little piece on a gray or a blue wall. The aqua green cell activator is just really, really stunning on this. I'm sorry the colors don't convey. I'll show them in a few days when they're dry, but I'm probably going to post these videos just to get them up. But that's all the work for this afternoon. I'm done. Let me turn around and say goodbye. All right, that's it for me today. Serendipity, man. Gotta love it. I'm going to now spend the rest of the afternoon cleaning up the kitchen and hiding all the evidence because it's trashed. I hope you guys enjoyed. Interesting little experiment. I do think you need the house paint if you're going to tilt, and possibly for swipes as well, to move the paint around. Obviously, you don't need it for spinning. You got that centrifugal force working for you. But I have a hard time imagining you would keep your cell integrity without the house paint underneath with this recipe. So more experiments to come, I guess. You guys have a great day. Take care. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Peace out.